What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video, not a shaving video, an unboxing video. So about like last week, I was talking to Monica from Yulay, and I've been talking to her for quite a while. And she asked me what soaps I would like to try out. So I picked out 3 of them. So, well, 2 of them, and one I think she sent to me that I already have, but it's fine. So, I'm gonna unbox it right now. And I'm releasing this today, so it's Wednesday the 16th of July. So it is ungodly hot here in Florida, so I am like, I am so tired for multiple reasons. It's hot. My father-in-law and I are trying to cut down a tree that fell a couple of weeks back, but the first soap, which I already have, 88 miles per hour. I love this soap, so that's awesome that she sent me that again. So, what do I have here? Oh, that's a different one. Oh, wow. That's a different one, because I have the aftershave splash like this, now I have the aftershave splash like that, so that's pretty cool. So I have both of those like that. So I got 8 miles per hour, and let me find it. So I got 88 miles per hour, which is awesome. I actually love this scent. So Monica, thank you so much for sending me 88 miles per hour. I appreciate that. So, what are the new 2 soaps and splashes that she sent me? The first one. I can't wait to try it. It is like 88 miles per hour, but it is from Yulay. Marty, I cannot wait to try this. She was actually kind enough to, hold on, I gotta smell this. Oh, I love this. I love that scent. But she was kind enough to like give me a little tidbit of what she was making, and this was it. She's like, I'm making a new soap, and it's this. And I'm like, hey, that's awesome. Let me smell the splash. And the splash is, I actually like this one, because it's, hold on. Oh, I love that. All right, that's Marty shave soap and splash. Okay. And the last one, and I got a few other, I got a few other things. Oh, nice, I got another one, so that's great. And the other one that she sent me is something near and dear to my heart. Everyone knows that my father was in the United States Army. So she sent me Dress Blue. When I seen this, oh my God, that smells delicious. That is amazing. I love the artwork. I love the artwork for this. I love the artwork for Marty. Let me smell Dress Blue Aftershave Splash. I like that one. I truly, truly like that one. So what do I got next is a sample. Another Honest Abe. I actually enjoyed Honest Abe, so that was awesome. They threw that one in. And a new one. Venrenzia. Excuse me, I've never tried that one, so let me open this one up and see what it smells like. Ooh. That actually doesn't smell that bad. That's actually a nice scent. That's a really, really nice scent. And of course, another, I don't even know what this is. But it's orange Satsuma. So I'll put this up here with the other one. So that's it. I got, let me grab the other one. So I got mph, Marty, and Dress Blues. I cannot wait to try Marty, and I cannot wait to try Dress Blues. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use first, because I own, like I said, I've had 88 miles per hour for a while. I love it. That's one of my favorite soaps to use. I can't wait to try the new splashes. I'm debating which one I want to use first out of the brand new ones. But that's it. I am that's all I got so far. Now this is a totally different random thing. Friday, I don't know if I told you guys, I'm actually having to go to see a cardiologist because my doctor wants me to go see one because there could be, I don't know, there could be potentially something wrong with me. I don't know. I truly, truly, truly don't know. I think it's because I have diabetes, high cholesterol now, and hypertension. So it could be just that, or there could be something wrong. I don't know. But keep me in your thoughts and prayers while I go see the cardiologist Friday. There's no video tomorrow or Friday because I didn't have a chance to shoot anything last week because I was doing other stuff. But I am going to shoot a video for next Wednesday after this video in a couple of hours. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, leave comments down below, and as always, happy shaving. Bye.